Hey, what's up there, guys? Corey with Gotta Be Mobile, and today we're going to show you how to transfer your Clash of Clans village to a new phone. Now, this is a problem that almost everyone runs into, and it's something we hear about all the time. You're playing, you break your phone, I shattered my Galaxy S9, you upgrade to Android, iPhone. It doesn't matter whether you use either or you're going to iPhone from Android or to Android from iPhone. We're going to show you how to transfer your Clash of Clans village. Now, you can do this with something called the Supercell ID, and it's kind of a new system. Supercell, the creators of Clash of Clans and Clash Royale and Brawl Stars, has created, and it's one ID that lets you instantly backup, save, and restore your game and village from any of their games across any device. So once you create a Supercell ID, you can instantly go from any phone, Android, iPhone, on all of your games and never lose your progress. So first off, if you've ever used this before in the past with Google and Android, the first time you load the game, it's going to give you this option here. It's telling me, hey, do you want to upgrade and load Village Town Hall 11? So I just started the game. This is level 1, and it's already found my game. So you tap load, and it will instantly find my Town Hall 11, the game I've been playing for years. I don't have to lose anything. I don't have to start over. There is my village. And that's instant with Google Play Games, and that's in here with this little button here, and you connect to Google Play Games. Now that's the way most people on Android have probably done it in the past. But moving forward, you're going to want to come down here to where it says a Supercell ID and create and connect a Supercell ID. Once you do that, whether you're on iPhone or Android, on a smartphone or a tablet, you can back up and save and restore your village on any device. So we're going to go ahead and get started on that. Click connect, and here it is, and this is where you start a Supercell ID. Go ahead and tap register now, and let's begin. Now once you go ahead and sign up for the Supercell ID, you'll give them your email address, and then the next step is to enter a secret code that they send you, and then once you get that code, add it in and you're all set with your Supercell ID. Alright, once you enter in that unique code that is sent to your email, you are all set. Your game account is now connected, and now your Supercell ID is connected to your email and will safely save and backup and restore any and all Supercell games moving forward. So go ahead and tap OK. Don't forget to come in here and collect your gems. You just got some free gems for using a Supercell ID. Keep your village safe. Connect your account to Supercell ID for safekeeping. They give you 50 gems towards the game. So now that we've done that, I'm going to go ahead and uninstall the game and then reinstall it and show you how it works when you're actually transferring Clash of Clans to a new phone with Supercell ID. Alright, now I've gone ahead and uninstalled and reinstalled Clash of Clans to now show you the process of actually restoring your village once you have the Supercell ID. So now you go ahead and start the game. If you don't have any of that stuff going on, you install Supercell's Clash of Clans or Clash Royale onto your new phone, whether that's iPhone, Android, it does not matter. Go ahead and go through some of this, or just instantly tap the top up there. Now in here, you'll instantly see a few options, and what we want is Supercell ID. Go ahead and tap that, and it's going to ask you to log in. And as you can see here, save all Supercell games with one ID. Go ahead and tap that, log in, and you are all set. So 1 second, let me add in my password, and we'll be right back. Okay, for security reasons, I've gone ahead and kind of blurred out half of mine, but once you tap that Supercell ID button, you will then get an email with another unique 6-digit PIN. Enter that from your email, go ahead and tap OK, and as you can see, game load account. Load game account, you're about to load an existing game connected to Supercell ID. Go ahead and tap confirm, and we will see my same Town Hall 11 from moments ago. I have successfully transferred Clash of Clans from an old phone to a new phone, all using the Supercell ID. Now again, this is cross-compatible. It'll work with iPhone, Android, tablet, smartphone, you name it. That's it, guys. Quick look at how to transfer Clash of Clans. This also works with Clash Royale, and eventually will also work with Supercell's new game, Brawl Stars, not to mention, Heyday, Boom Beach, you name it. But that's it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. See you next time.